Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy half up half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to section off the crown of the head and smooth this to the back. We're going to do a fishtail braid, so divide that section in half and take a small slice of hair from the left hand side and cross it over the top and join it to the right hand strand. Now take a slice of hair from the right hand strand, cross it over the top and join it to the left hand strand. Then just repeat these steps until you get to the end of the hair and secure it off with a clear elastic band. Apply some texture spray to that braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then pinch and pull that braid apart to give it a nice messy look. Add some more texture spray to the crown of the head and again loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. Now we're going to move on to the front section, and I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face. So take a slice of hair, split it in half and wrap these sections around each other towards the head and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, make a hole in your fishtail braid and pass that little twist all the way through and pin the ends underneath with a few bobby pins. Apply some texture spray to that twist and again loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. And we're just going to repeat these steps on the right hand side. So take your slice of hair, leaving a bit out to frame the face. Wrap these sections towards the head and tie them off with a clear elastic band. Make a hole in your fishtail braid and pass that little twist all the way through and then just secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Add some more texture spray to that twist and pinch and pull it apart. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.